Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the object viewer in your camera app. So Samsung's camera can describe what it sees using Galaxy AI. So if you're pointing your camera at an object or a location, or even a food dish, your phone can now analyze the scene and give you instant context, like identifying the object, describing its color, or even suggesting what it might be. So let me show you how it works. So first, go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on More, and then go ahead and tap on this eye icon here. This will now take you into the AR view of your Samsung Galaxy device. So now at the bottom here, there's different things which you can do. You can discover, scene describer, object identifier, text reader, color detector. So these are all the things which you can do. So let's just say, for example, I have a Rubik Cube here. As you can see, it has recognized my thumb. Let's go ahead and recognize the Rubik Cube. And as you can see, it's a Rubik Cube. So it'll basically find similar items on the internet. Now next, you have a scene describer.
Analyzing scene. A hand holding a cube. Analyzing scene. A hand holding a cube.
Now let's go ahead and choose the object identifier.
Electronic product. Nail clippers. Rubik's Cube.
Let's go ahead and choose the text reader.
Number. G-cube.
Let's go ahead and choose the color detector.
Cyan. Red. Yellowish green. White. Carrot orange.
So this feature can identify colors, textures, and even materials, giving you a quick way to learn more about your surroundings. So this is great for students, travelers, or creators who want to understand or describe what they see, or even for accessibility, since it helps visually describe your environment. So whether you're exploring a new place, taking creative photos, or just curious about something, your Galaxy AI makes your camera not just a lens, but a smart visual companion.